What up? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We got one of these chicken leg quarters again, but it's not $1.05 like it was last time. It's that much, which isn't bad. So I'm gonna start heating this up. And here's a few of the veggies we got going in. Those are all onions, just different varieties a little bit. And then I got green onion as well. Here we go. And by the way, we're doing pad ki mao. Chicken pad ki mao. When you're dealing with bones, there's always going to be a little work to do. Separate that chicken from the bone, which is a pain in the ass, but that's why this kit was like $2.20, right? So don't cry too much, little baby. Alright, buck up, Tam. So chicken's mostly cooked. Put it on this cutting board here. Just get it out of the way. I'm not going to use this to cut it anymore. Maybe that piece, maybe. But we got these veggies in the pan now. Gonna sweat those down, and then it all comes together pretty quick. And here's the sauce, which is most of the Asian seasoning. It's oyster sauce, soy sauce, and hoisin sauce. And I forgot about the ginger and the garlic, so there it is right there. Can't forget about that, you guys. It's the aromatics. It makes the dish happen. Makes it all good. So we're gonna turn up the heat and mix all this together. And then coming at you soon. You know what I mean? Got some green onion in there too. Just roughly chopped into thirds. So just put the chicken back in. I'm about to mix this up. Got to get these noodles going, and then we'll combine it all real quick. Know what I'm saying? So I just had this great idea. Instead of boiling these because they're so thin, just put in the pan next to the ingredients that are already in there, and put a few scoops of water in there, and let it kind of boil, and it should cook these. And then we mix it all together, you know what I mean? So wish me luck. I bet it's gonna work. Look at that, it's working. So put the lid back on, yo. And then we're gonna pour this sauce in, give it that flavor. And yeah, it fucking worked. Get those noodles all soft. They're pretty thin, they're just rice noodles. Just a little water to steam them up, and they seem to be good. I know now for the future. Look at that. Friggin' beautiful. Look at all those colors. Nice. And there we have it. Those noodles turned out fine. So now I know I don't need to boil them separately. Just put them in the pan with a little bit of water to help steam them up, and then they'll heat through and soften up. So I'm gonna dig in. So money, guys. Man, I nailed it. Usually the restaurant will serve it with the side of rice. I didn't pre-plan for some rice, but next time I will. This is actually pretty easy and didn't break the bank at all. And it's so friggin' good. Man. Okay, back to it. Okay, being a Thai dish, we can't forget the red pepper on there, so check it out. Friggin' delicious, you guys. I'm so happy with the outcome of this. Unbelievable. So easy. As long as you can find those friggin' noodles, which were impossible to find before I found these. Even from restaurants around here, I asked. They're like, yeah, we gotta go to get it from Chinatown in Seattle. I'm like, what the fuck? Like, Maybe they just started selling at the stores. I don't know. But friggin' awesome. I'm out, you guys. Please watch one of these next videos on the screen. And have a great friggin' day. Alright, Chronic Eats out. Peace.